Hi, I'm Pamela with SewingQueen.com. We're going to learn how to put a zipper in a pair of jeans. You ever have a favorite pair that the zipper gets busted? Well, no worries. We know how to put those in. Now this pair of jeans needs a new zipper. So the first thing we're going to do is take out the old zipper. What I do is go on the inside here and just start undoing wherever it's sewn together. I like the blade. It's much faster than using a seam ripper. This inside flap needs to come out. See how much quicker that is than using a seam ripper? When we get up to there, we'll undo a little bit of the waist. Now we can pull out our zipper on that side and come down and get it off this side. Sew these in pretty sturdy. I just am very good at ripping like that. Only do that when you know it's not going to rip the fabric. Icky zipper, we're going to toss it. Now this side of the pant does have some top stitching here, and we need to open up this flap. So we're going to eliminate that top stitching to get our new zipper in, but we're then going to sew it back down. Now let's get rid of all of our threads. The other side of the blade, I can kind of scratch that fabric and it lifts up that undone thread. Thread picking. Let's pick it out on the front too. Thread picked out over here as well. So now we have no zipper in these pants. We're ready to put in our new zipper. Whenever I put in a new zipper, I always make sure that it is a good zipper. So there's our zipper. Now we're going to go ahead and put a zipper foot onto our machine. And the first side you'll do is this flap side. Bringing out your flap to here. It was sewn right here underneath, and we're bringing it out. And we're going to start lay our zipper with the edge matching up to the edge here, face down. So as close to the zipper as you can on this little flap. And for durability, do it again on the edge of this side of the zipper. Now we'll take, the zipper is sewn in there, we'll fold that back in, and now we're going to catch the outside layers to make this flat. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and unzip this zipper a little and trim off some of it up here at the top. It's like a 6.5 inches what it needed, but the zippers only come 7 inches, so unzip just a little there, placing this underneath the waistband. Start down here where that stitching, outside stitching was. Following the curve. Get out of there, little thread. Okay. Go all the way up. Some pants just have one stitch here. This particular pair had 2, so let's do the other one. And I can switch right on over here to my waistband, making sure that that's tucked inside. And sew my waistband right there on top. So I'll go and trim my threads. This side is now done. Now on to the next side. Remember that piece we took out? Well, there it is. When we want that to be laying flat with your zipper coming underneath right there. Just kind of hold it right there. There we are, nice and flat. Put our zipper to the side there with that little flap coming over it. And I'm going to hold this over a little, come up here, and sew this particular side in. Now you might as well go ahead now and, while you're up here, and do the waistband, sew down flat, making sure you're tucked in underneath. Everything looks good on top. threads. Now you've got your zipper in, but we still need to do a little more down here. So I'm going to slip that back in. I'm going to start way down at the bottom of the crotch line. What I'm doing here is I'm going to be catching this side down here as well as the rest of our area right here. There, over a few steps, turn it around again. Trim our threads. We don't like threads. In this case, they caught all areas right there, so we're going to take one more little stitching right here. It just kind of goes back and forth for durability. Now there's our new zipper. Goes all the way down like that and up. And voila, there you are.